If you have a document with a page or pages that need rotating, you can do that easily from your web browser in seconds using DeftPDF. From DeftPDF.com, let's click on the All Tools tab, and under the Edit and Sign header, we can select the Rotate tool. From here, we just select the document we'd like to make changes to. And now we can rotate all pages, just the odd, just the even, or we can select each page individually. When we're finished, just hit Apply Changes and you can save locally to Dropbox, Google Drive, and more. Visit DeftPDF.com to see what else you can do through our easy-to-use platform.